Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece, not only new to us, but new to Scout Boats. It is their brand new 188 Sport Dorado. We have her equipped in the full hull Alpine Gray, which is also a new color for Scout. We've got a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match. Then we have a 115 Yamaha to power this boat. Let's hop up inside and check out some more great features. So now that we're on board the brand new 188 Sport Dorado from Scout Boats, I'd like to show you a few more key features. Once again, we do have this thing powered by a 115 Yamaha. Great engine package for this boat. We have port and starboard seats here in the stern. I would like to point out the brand new Sunbrella material. This is going to be the new standard material for Scout, partnering with Sunbrella. It is very nice, very sturdy, and great to be out on the water in. On the port side, we do have a large live well here. And then on the starboard, we have a nice cooler as well. We've got some bilge access directly behind our engine right here. Easy access. Got our bimini top up top with our full wrap cover as well. Great spot to be able to get some shade while out on the water. Here at the helm, we have an integrated 9-inch Garmin screen. Got some switching for our underwater lights, accent lights, horns, navionics, other things of that nature. Got our Yamaha gauges to display all engine data on that 115 Yamaha. We've got Seastar Dometic trim tabs here. Very easy to use out on the water. Our Fusion head stereo system, storage underneath, and then our throttle for that 115 Yamaha. Over here on the port side, we have our engine battery, along with some glove box storage, and then more storage underneath as well. Cup holders, and some nice non-skid up top, so you can have a great place to put phone, wallet, keys while underway as well. Boat is limited for 6 people. But very spacious area up here. Nice loungers on port and starboard side. Once again, I'm 6'4" for reference, so very comfortable seat that has nice storage underneath both sides. We've got the boat's propeller in there currently. We've also got the cover that comes with the boat as well. Got a JL audio speaker system upgrade throughout the entire boat. Another nice seat here that will remove if you would like to use this area for a casting platform. And then storage directly underneath it. Nice, deep, insulated drain storage. And then up here we have anchor storage that is pre-wired for a trolling motor. Some more cup holders up here at the bow, and then also some recessed cleats. If you'd like to learn more about this brand new 188 Sport Dorado from Scout Boats or anything else we offer, please feel free to check us out on MarineMax.com. As always, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.